Here are 7 UX/UI design trends to watch for in 2023. The possibilities of modern technology are continually expanding, and with them come new directions in digital design. The year 2023 is quickly approaching, and with it come new ideas and innovations that will revolutionize the ways in which user interfaces and experiences are created. The significance of cutting-edge UX/UI design trends. We are a seasoned digital innovation firm that creates complete digital goods. Our commitment to this service ensures that we are always abreast of developments in fields like color theory and universal design that may have an impact on the expectations of the people who use our products and services. The UX and UI of a digital product, such as a website or app, may have a significant impact on a user's first impression of your brand or organization. Thus, it's crucial to adhere to best practices. Here are 7 user interface developments to watch for in 2023. For optimal usability, performance, and aesthetics, a human-centered design will take into account cutting-edge UX/UI practices. 1. 7 emerging styles for 2023 are discussed below. 2. Virtual and augmented reality, VR, AR. 3. Animation artistic. 4. A scrolling experience that pulls you in. 5. Three-dimensional imaging. 6. Gradients. 7. Brutalism. 8. Healthiness. 1. Virtual and augmented reality, VR, AR. Thanks to Meta and the growth of VR conversation caused by the various COVID lockdowns, virtual reality has recently gained a lot of attention. This year saw the debut of the first ever virtual reality Fashion Week. There are a plethora of other businesses working on ways to facilitate online community building and hybrid processes that combine the best of the digital and physical worlds. Examples of such applications include the use of augmented reality, AR, to decorate and paint an empty room before purchasing furniture, the use of virtual reality, VR, by doctors to practice separating conjoined twins from different locations in real time before the actual surgery, and the use of AR by supply chain operators to navigate a warehouse in real time in order to maximize order picking efficiency. Because of the way AR/VR is being refined and marketed, it stands to become more commonplace. With each technological advance, we as experienced designers must think about how these interactions will be realized and how to ensure the safety of the people who will be using these technologies. Ponder these. How realistic should these situations be? How can we ensure that people using our products are always paying attention? How can we build mixed reality solutions that people can use all day without experiencing any negative health effects? For instance, can wearing a headset for an extended length of time induce headaches or vision loss? We may look forward to an exciting future challenge in the form of the creation and regulation of these technologies. 2. Animation artistic. In the past, it was difficult to create animations for the web and applications because development teams had to constantly compromise on animation quality, site speed, and app size. Since then, a lot of things have changed. The evolution of network capacity, 5G, and the introduction of libraries like Lottie files have made it possible for designers to build beautiful animations without sacrificing speed or efficiency. Due to the widespread use of these technologies, even seasoned designers may now include motion design into their repertoires. I predict that animations will become more common in the future, not just to add life and beauty to designs but also to streamline the user experience and surprise and please them with wonderful micro-interactions. 3. A scrolling experience that pulls you in. Making smooth animations and implementing component behaviors on scroll has never been simpler than it is using JavaScript, animation libraries, or native implementations, such as linear interpolation techniques. Content may now be presented in a more strategic, narrative-centered manner, with designers having complete control over what users see and how it appears. With the advent of immersive scrolling, there is now a plethora of opportunities for creating compelling stories, and I'm certain that many businesses will use this to their advantage, especially on landing pages. 4. Three-dimensional imaging. I've seen a rise in the use of 3D graphics on social media. Nonetheless, I anticipate that the pleasant corporate illustration style that has been so pervasive since 2020-21 will begin to wane, making space for a new direction. Many websites and applications now include pictures, enhanced to be colorful and active, pour artwork, or 3D objects to beautify or supplement the content. The growth of the latter, in my opinion, will continue into next year, since it is intrinsically linked to the spread of virtual reality and augmented reality. 5. Gradients. You may have seen the rise of gradients in both social media and fashion, but it seems that the 1980s and 1990s are making a comeback. More vibrant colors and jazzy styles are the results. This has shown itself in a number of ways in the digital sphere, including the revival of gradients, the embrace of brutalism, and the use of bright color schemes. A major trend that has been widely embraced and accepted this year, gradients are here to stay, at least in my opinion. We should expect to see a wonderful, colorful parade of screens, packaging, and more as consumers employ more upbeat, multicolored palettes to combat the weariness COVID has induced. 6. Brutalism. Another throwback aesthetic that has made a comeback this year is brutalism, which I predict will be around either in its original form or as a diluted variety such as kitsch or neobrutalism. Along with the swell of nostalgia, throwbacks to simpler, less corporate times in online design have become more common. Gradients, high-contrast colors, borders, and references to vintage graphics, illustrations combined with photorealistic imagery are all making a comeback in web design. All the quirks that have made the web so interesting to explore are refined with user experience best practices to make everything as easy to read and navigate as possible. 7. Healthiness. Many people became aware of the need for mental health and overall wellness during the pandemic period and the normalization of the home office. They realized it was okay to put themselves first. I think this means that individuals are paying greater attention to their mental and physical health as they go about their everyday lives. My prediction is that this pattern of behavior will be reflected in the emergence of other related trends within the design industry. As a result, we may see a rise in the use of wearable gear for monitoring both mental and physical health, as well as the introduction of more subdued, calming, color palettes for electronic displays. What does this suggest for the future of applications that promote wellness and health? Is data visualization and analytics getting more attention? Yes. New and interesting, maybe screenless, interactions might be on the horizon, though, with the advent of wearable technologies like smart textiles and wearables. Discussion in conclusion. As a result of the availability of state-of-the-art tools, we can create designs and stories that are both aesthetically pleasing and engaging to their target audiences. Keeping up with current trends might help you create a groundbreaking interface and get a competitive edge.